Hi guys, I'm back today just to pick up on a few additional video makers tips. Just like in the other videos, I'm providing information for those doing DIY video during this time. Some extra tips for your live stream or your video production. Grab some of these guys, they're dirt cheap and they're super handy for steadying equipment or holding things up. We use them on most productions. For lighting, do not rely on natural light. It can change pretty dramatically in just a short time. Diffusion is super easy to achieve. If you haven't got access to film lights, you can just hang or drape white sheets and then pass light through them, creating beautiful, even lighting. If you're in the office, avoid shooting under fluoros. They'll add a flickering or a strobing effect to your video. Audio. Most mics work directionally, so if it sounds bad, just adjust the angle or the position of your mic, it'll make a massive difference. And on audio, when testing, use headphones, even if they're the ones that came with your phone. Monitoring or testing audio cannot be done via an internal PC speaker. That's all for today. Thanks.